say I can't. You think shit's sweet because I use my mouth, so now I can sleep on the street. So I have to sleep outside because you said I wish I never had you, I wish that I could die. So I speak up for myself because that's what humans do, and you call it disrespectful. Now I'm getting hit with the shoe. I think you're a charger a spoon. Anything you can find because you say this hurts me more than it hurts you. But if it hurts you so bad, why am I the only one screaming? I'm not saying don't discipline kids. I'm saying don't do it without a reason. If you say you're hurting more like it's some swimming contest in a pool, then you push me to the edge till I lose my cool. And call it disrespectful when it's really the truth? Now I'm black and blue. Yeah, I called you toxic, you called me a bitch. All I said was I had a long day, I didn't feel like it. I don't care how you feel, you do as you're told. It's not because I'm the parent, it's because I like the control. Do them dishes you didn't make. What are you gonna do when your husband's at stake? Nothing, actually. I'll marry a good man and work things out happily. Just because you're my parent doesn't make it right or make it true. Because I spoke up for myself, now I deserve